Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, respected lecturer, honorable guests, and fellow participants. It is a pleasure and an honor for me to be here today. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Nisrina Paridar Madanti, and I am going to present my research entitled The Rule Effective Speech Introduction in Judging Audience of Islamic Education. Thank you for the opportunity. I will begin with the introduction of the study. In this slide, introduction. In Islamic education, public speaking is understood not only as a linguistic skill but also as an intellectual and ethical responsibility. Despite this importance, many students still face difficulty in crafting introductions that are engaging, purposeful, and relevant to their audience. Their opening often lack focus, do not create connection, or fail to prepare audience for the content that follow. Therefore, this study examines how combining rhetorical structure with Islamic communication technique can result in introductions that are more engaging, more meaningful, and more aligned with the values of Islamic education. In this slide is research objective. This research is guided by three key objectives. First, to examine how effective speech introduction contribute to the audience engagement in Islamic education setting. Second, to integrate rhetorical theories with Islamic communication technique, creating a more holistic understanding what makes an introduction effective. Third, to propose a conceptual framework that can assist both educator and student in developing stronger, more impactful introductory strategies. This study aims to enhance both rhetorical understanding and practical teaching approach in Islamic communication. The next slide is research methodology. The study adopts a qualitative approach, a conceptual literature review. The analysis draws on peer-reviewed publications from 2020 till 2025 that discuss rhetoric, public speaking pedagogy, and Islamic communication. The review process includes 4 steps, and the first step is identifying a relevant academic source. Second, categorizing a recurring theme related to speech opening and judgment. Third, synthesizing the finding into analytical insight. Four, developing a conceptual framework based on this insight. The literature provides strong rhetorical evidence for understanding how introduction shape audience responses. In this slide is theoretical framework. This study is built upon 3 theoretical foundations. First, rhetorical structure theory by Mann and Thompson, 1988, which explain how introduction function in organizing meaning and guiding audience expectation. Second, engagement theory by Wong Lee 2021 and Lee 2023, which view engagement as the interaction of cognitive, emotional, and behavioral responses. Third, Islamic communication technique, particularly derived from Quran Surah An-Nahl 125, emphasizing hikmah, sincerity, and proper adab when conveying message. This framework provides a comprehensive lens to understand how structure, ethical, and values-based introduction can enhance communication effectiveness. Next slide is finding. This finding revealed 3 significant insights. First, an effective introduction attention breadth, enabling the speaker to form an immediate connection with the audience. Second, four consist component emerge across the literature. First, a compelling attention gather. Second, clear relevance to the audience. Third, establishment of credibility. And last, a concise preview of the speech. Third, from an Islamic perspective, this rhetorical component become even more impactful when combined with sincerity, moral intention, and respectful communication. Additionally, several studies indicate that incorporating spiritual or moral values into the introduction increases both attentiveness and emotional engagement among audience. Next slide is discussion. The discussion further aligns this finding with previous scholarly work. Point 1. Open size. Laila and Megawati 2023 show that structured public speaking training improves student confidence and engagement, emphasizing the need for intentional introductory design. Point 2. Digital innovation. Suruni et al. 2023 highlight how sincerity and politeness foster audience trust, reflecting Islamic ethical communication. Point 3. Global standard. Furwati et al. 2025 demonstrate the digital tools support more interactive and ethical conscious communication in Islamic classroom. This study reinforce that effective introduction must combine technique, structure, and ethical grading to achieve meaningful and engagement. And the last slide is conclusion. The conclude, the study present three key insights. The first, while design introduction significant improve audience focus, attention, and emotional connection, setting a positive tone for the entire speech. Second, integrating rhetorical structure with Islamic ethical values produce communication that is not only effective but also morally responsible, aligning with the principle of Islamic education. Third, educator and institution should give greater emphasis to technique, structure, intentional, and values-based introductory technique as the skill are fundamental for developing competent and ethical public speaker. So, the study reaffirmed the essential role of effective introduction in shaping communicative success in Islamic educational setting. And last, that conclude my presentation. I hope this explanation has provided a clear understanding of the research I conduct. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.